What's up, guys? Today we're going to bust into the Martin Mac 101. This particular unit just came off of a 2-month install, and when I ran it through my tech sequence, I discovered that the tilt was very unhappy. After I took the arm covers off, I discovered that the tilt gear had completely separated from the rest of the head cover. We had a couple of these in our stock, so today I'm going to go through the steps to transplant all of the working internals into the new head cover. Let's get to it. First thing we're going to do is remove the 8 screws retaining the arm covers to the fixture. You'll see here that the head is completely loose because the gear holding the tilt belt has snapped from the head cover. Here's the new one with everything in place. Now we're going to remove the 1 screw holding the faceplate on, followed by the 4 screws holding on the lens. Next, we're going to remove the LED board. I removed all the screws holding the heatsink to the board, and this step isn't entirely necessary, but I did it anyway. Next, we're going to unplug the harnesses and the cables from the board and pull them out of the head cover. The next step is removing the driver board from the head cover. You can flip the head cover over and remove this fan cover if your new one does not have it installed. Now we're ready to reinstall the driver board. Pull all of the harnesses back through the new head cover and reseat them. Make sure you plug them into the correct bus. Here, you'll see me remount the heatsink to the LED board. Next, reattach the ground, the harness, and the power to your LED board and heatsink. Reseat the LED board assembly into the new head cover and then screw it in place. With the LED board back in place, we're ready to replace the lens. With the lens reinstalled, we're ready to replace the face cover. You're now ready to reinstall your tilt belt. Replace the arm covers and be sure that your tilt functions correctly before you screw them back down. With our fixture reassembled, we're ready to run our test sequence and make sure that we reinstalled everything correctly.